Welcome back, and in today's video I'll guide you through the process on how you can install the AnyDesk app on your iPad. So the first step is to open the App Store. Then from here, use the search feature and type in AnyDesk. You should see it listed in the search results, so simply tap on it to view the app details. From here, if it's your first time installing it, tap on the Get button, double click on the side key, as well as use your Face ID or Apple password to confirm the installation. So once the app has started installing, then you can start reading through the app information. So you should see the app ratings, as well as the developer and the app size. You can also see your previews, as well as the ratings and reviews. So simply wait for the app to be installed. And then once it's been installed, tap on Open. So from here, you'll need to sign in with your ID for AnyDesk. And once you've signed in and you ensure that you have AnyDesk installed on your other computer, then you can easily access any of the files on either device from the comfort of your iPad. So for example, if there's files on your computer that you wish to access and it's, say, at home and you're at work, then you can easily use your iPad to access them and vice versa. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.